Hey, what's up, Holochain holders? So, what's going on? The Holochain result is absolutely very bad, and this time, absolutely very critical situation. Some holders go and do this mistake. They sell it. Absolutely, this is very wrong. So, absolutely, this time everyone can lose. So, what we do, if you can see here, this is very bad change. If you can see here, absolutely, my friends alert me to what's going on in Holochain, please. If you can see absolutely here's right, then I see this result, then I immediately make this video. I decide to make video for my Holochain brother. So Holochain brother, the decision is very difficult today. Absolutely very important video and very informative. So guys, keep watch. First of all, we see some changes, some charts, and then we decide to this is selling time or buying time, because everyone can lose if they can go on like this type down. But I hope they can stand and go up. So let's get started this brand video. But I request you brothers, please subscribe this channel. I hope you subscribe it. If you need this type more informative videos, I alert you every good situation or bad news of all cryptocurrency. So thank you so much for subscribing. Hope you subscribe. Press the bell icon for videos notification. Okay guys, first of all we see that the latest price as 0.02553 US dollar, and the changes, and everybody see here the changes this last 24 hour as 10.74% goes down. Oh my goodness, absolutely very bad. I just buy my Holochain coin just 2 or 3 days ago, I think, and I totally lost. If you can see here, I am a holder of 9 cryptocurrencies, but I cannot lose this time. Absolutely, they gone down. So I think this is the start of a month. This is the start of month, and every start of month, all cryptocurrencies goes down. So totally, therefore, I am waiting for good time. So guys, let's see the market cap is absolutely goes down. Everything is goes down at this cryptocurrency. You can see here 10% market cap is gone down, 10.81% market cap down. So what we do, everyone can absolutely, this is very terrible situation, and this time you can see here the full diluted market cap is absolutely 10.81% goes down. You can see here the volume is absolute 33.30% goes down. So if they take absolutely, this is absolutely very risk. You can see here risk time, absolutely. Let's check it out the last 1 day result. If they take a this type dumping, absolutely they're starting this type dumping. Absolutely, this is very bad for all holder. So my brother, let's see the chart result. Absolutely very bad. You can see they go straight, they can jump, but they get totally starting dumping. Absolutely, they totally goes down. You can see here the chart result. Absolutely, sometime goes up, but sometime again they can take up. If you can see here, I buy it here. You can see here, oh my goodness, absolutely Monday the price change is absolutely 30372 US dollar as the price. So if you see this result, then everyone decide to just buy more and more. Everybody just, this is absolutely decision as that to buy it. So at this time, if you can see here, absolutely the price has come down to 0.024005. So absolutely this is very small price. They could everybody lost this time, if you can see here. But please don't sell it this time. My opinion, my personal opinion is that I cannot sell this time. But the main reason is that this is the start of month, and I hope at the mid of month they give me a good profit. I hope the Holochain holder has also all tweeted to this is absolutely a bad time for Holochain holder. But I hope at the in upcoming days, absolutely they going off like a rocket. So let's see, did they going go on like a rocket or what's going on. So guys, please wait for a good time. I hope good time is coming at the mid of this month or at the end of this month. So wait for the end of this month and absolutely sell it at the end of this month, but don't sell this time. What's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. I hope you are also a very genius man. Please share your opinion, because I am also very sad this time. Please share your opinion. Thanks for watching, my brothers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for latest updates. I updating you every time. Just subscribe and press the bell icon for latest videos. See you next time.